Here are the 3 things you should look for when you are choosing a maternity photographer. The first thing to look for when you're choosing a maternity photographer is uniqueness and personalization. This is a special moment for you and your husband, and it's important that you choose a maternity photographer who can take your vision, desires, needs, and wants and turn them into an experience that is personalized just for you. To find a photographer who personalizes their maternity photo shoot experiences, all you want to do is kind of check their portfolio. If you see a photographer who typically puts their clients on the same background or the same creative set, more than likely they're not going to personalize your maternity photo shoot either. But if you find a photographer and you see uniqueness through the consistency of all the maternity photo shoots that they take and none of them look the same, more than likely that photographer, and well, honestly, I know that photographer is going to personalize your maternity experience as well. The second thing you can check is their website. If you go on the photographer's website and all they have is a book button and you click the book button and you go to a calendar, you choose a date you want and you just pay a deposit or the full balance, more than likely they're not going to personalize your maternity photo shoot. But if you go on the photographer's website and they want to meet with you, they want to have a consultation, they have an inquiry form for you to fill out. When you meet on that phone with that photographer, they're going to want to hear your deepest desires for your maternity photo shoot, which means you are more than likely going to get a personalized experience by them. The second thing you want to look for, which is probably the biggest thing, is convenience. How much weight does that photographer take off your plate? You are a busy mom, also being a wife, also still working your job or your entrepreneurship business. So it's important that you find a photographer who frees up your time and not adds more things to your plate, because you want to be able to focus on what matters the most. You want to be able to focus on enjoying the experience, sitting back and relaxing, and documenting this pregnancy journey, not all the little details that comes with doing a maternity photo shoot. That's why it's important to find a maternity photographer who offers wardrobe, who offers hair, who offers makeup, who offers transportation, who creates an idea, builds the idea for you. That's why it's important to find a maternity photographer like that, because they will be able to take so much stuff off your plate and free up your time. The more they take off your plate, the more you will be able to enjoy the experience and not have to worry about anything. The last thing, which is probably one of the most important things, all these things are important, but the last thing you want to look for is quality. Quality is so important when it comes to your maternity photos. These photos should not just be going on social media. These photos should be hung in your home, decorating your walls, put in albums, passed down through the generations. So it's important that you find a photographer with great, consistent quality that can not only give you images just for social media, but also to share in beautiful albums and wall art that you can pass down through the future generations. Now, as you're on your journey to deciding what type of maternity photographer to choose, I want to help you come up with the idea for your maternity photo shoot that you can give to them. That's why we created the Maternity Idea Vault with over 900 plus maternity photo shoot idea inspirations inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I will send it immediately over to you, and you will finally have access to so many ideas to spark inspiration for your own unique idea.